This is clarity, courage, and confidence. Okay. The clarity to decide, the courage to start, the confidence to commit. And that those are these three characters. To give you a tiny bit of background on these guys, Martijn is very Dutch. I live in the Netherlands. I am a little Dutch in a way. I have a Dutch passport anyway. My mother's side came from Germany. I've lived in Germany. I speak German. A lot of German friends. I am very analytical. I started my undergrad in mathematics. I can be very analytical, right? That's my mind. My heart, Henri. Dad's side was French. I've also lived in France. I speak French. I lived there for a year and a half. And I associate with the French with the suave, with the love, with the passion and the style, right? That's Henri, the heart. And then finally, go is California dude. That's where I was born. I was born in Southern California. I did go to the beach a lot, right? I was a beach bum. And yet, here's a fun little thing. And I want you to think about this with your own characters, right? With your own friends, your own personas, your own avatars, whatever you want to call them.